guys, so I've been believing in manifestation lately, and that's been only possible because of this planner. I have all my goals and the things that I want to achieve in life written down here, and I'm working towards it. And I prepared the template for this planner using Canva. And if you want to know more and if you want to get hands on that template, please comment down below and I'll share the link with you all.
So this is how the planner looks like. It has around 195 pages including fun activities, expense tracker, vision board, manifestation challenge, to-do lists and much more. I will go through each page and explain how this planner can be beneficial. Of course, I took inspiration from other planner and created this customized planner for myself. You can add or remove as you like. So this is the first page of the planner. After that you will see the 2024 belongs to page, and here you can write all the things that you want to achieve in the year. So next comes the vision board. You can create your vision board by adding the pictures or writing and painting anything of your choice and anything that you dream to achieve in the year 2024. This is the page where you can add your goals. I've given space to write top 3 goals. You can add more if you want. Along with goals, you can also write any particular thing that you want to try or excited to try or learn in this year. In future timeline, you can add your vision like where you want to see yourself in next 6 months or 1 year or 2 year and action plan to achieve those goals. This page was an inspiration from Mrudul Sharma's planner to cut down any unnecessary expenses and just let me buy things that I actually need and be minimalist. This is the page where you can write 24 things to do in the year 2024. This is for those who love to read books and watch movies, so you can write down everything that you have read in the year 2024 and you have watched in the year 2024. This page is everything you need in the year 2024 because this is to set your priorities straight and get the most out of this year. So, this is the period tracker for all the girls out there. So, if you believe in manifestation and if you like to practice manifestation, then this page is for you. This has many manifestation challenges, and this is again inspired from Mridul Sharma's planner. This is an usual 2024 calendar, very much helpful. Here comes the month January. Just for fun, I have added this page, this blank page where you can draw or paint anything of your choice, just to relax. I'll just go through the pages added for the month of January because for all other months it's the same. For February, March, April, May, June, it's all the same. The most important thing for the month is to add the visions. So I've added 4 categories here. So you can add health and fitness vision, work or career related vision, fun and adventure related vision, and personal or spiritual visions. So this is the habit tracker page which will help you to set your goals and monitor your progress. Using this you can track your sleep, water intake and anything else for the month. This expense tracker helps to keep an accurate record of your money inflow and outflow. Maintaining this will keep you more involved in your finances. This monthly budget page will help you set your savings goals, total budget, and at the end of the month, you can actually come back and see what are your actual savings and the difference from the savings goal. Here comes the important pages where you can add your to do list every day for the rest of the month. I've added an extra page called notes where you can add important notes for the month. So all of this will repeat again for the month of February and for the rest of the months of the year 2024. At the end, I have added a few pages where you can add your favorites for the year 2024, like your favorite book, movies, or TV shows, your favorite part of the year, favorite places that you have visited, and favorite restaurant or dishes. Similar to the previous page, there is one more page where you can review 2024, like top 3 accomplishments that you have achieved in the year 2024, and you can rate the year 2024 as well. I have added 2 dedicated pages for travel planner. You can add your destination, dates, expenses, budget, and also packing list in this page. So last couple of pages are dedicated for fun challenges like tic-tac-toe game or connect the dots challenge and the color book just for the relaxation. So yeah, that's all I had for this video. So if you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and let's see in my next video. Bye.